Hello traders, today we'll be looking at the TMA CD Divergence Indicator for MT5. This tool combines a triangular moving average with a custom divergence engine to highlight potential bullish and bearish divergences between price and the underlying TMA-based oscillator directly on your MetaTrader 5 chart. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see what it looks like in real time. Don't forget to allow DLL import. Now the TMA CD Divergence Indicator plots a TMA-based oscillator in a separate sub-window while drawing divergence lines between price swings and oscillator swings. As we can see here, it drew the line. Bullish divergence is typically marked when price makes a lower low, but the oscillator makes a higher low, visually implying weakening downside momentum and a possible upside reversal, while bearish divergence is marked when price makes a higher high, but the oscillator makes a lower low, implying that upside momentum is fading and a potential downside move may be developing. As we can see on the chart, over time, these annotated divergence lines help you see where price and the TMA oscillator are out of sync, pointing to potential turning points rather than trend following signals. Let's move over to its settings. We have the fast MA period and slow MA period. We also have the applied price, which helps in the oscillator calculation, and the look back parameters that define which swing highs and lows qualify for divergence detection. It is applied on the closing price, but you can adjust it to be applied on open price or high price for its calculation. Now, if you check the colors, we have the colors for the TMA CD, the color for the short signal, long signal, line to up and line to down. Now, who is it for? The TMA CD divergence indicator is suited to traders who rely on divergence as a leading signal for trend exhaustion and reversals, especially swing and intraday traders. Divergence is not a guarantee of reversal and can appear early or fail in strong trends, and TMA is a smoother lagging measure, so signals must be confirmed with price action, structure, and risk management. It should be integrated into a broader plan with clear entry, stop loss, and take profits rules rather than used on its own. Now you can find the download link in the description below. You can also read more about the TMA CD Divergence Indicator MT5 and see example divergence setups at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.